Hey, hey, hey! What's up, True Fluency fam? How's everyone doing today? Because I'm super excited. I'm Raja, and with me today is, drumroll please, the one and only Oni!
Hey everyone, so happy to be back. And trust me, today's topic is going to make you go, wait, that's it? It's that easy?
Exactly. Today's topic is something we all do every single day, but somehow when it comes to saying it in English, our brains just go blank.
So true. Okay, spill it, Raja. What's today's big mystery?
All right, guys, get ready because today we're talking about daily routines.
Ooh, daily routines. You know, all those little things we do every day, waking up, having breakfast, going to work, and pretending to be productive. But seriously, learning to talk about your daily routine in English will totally level up your fluency.
Facts, because when you can describe your everyday life confidently, you sound so much more natural in conversation, like total pro level.
Exactly. Plus, you'll start understanding English movies, vlogs, and real-life convos. It's like an upgrade for your English brain.
Love that. But before we jump in, quick little favor, my awesome people. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and of course, subscribe to True Fluency Hub so you don't miss out on our next fun episode.
Yes, please. You know the rule. Like, share, subscribe. Okay, Raja. Now tell us, what surprise do you have for today?
All right, get ready for this. We're going to hear a short, cute story about a girl named Olivia and her daily routine.
Aw, Olivia. What's she like? Sleeps all day or something?
Nope, she's actually super organized. Let's listen to her day, and don't worry if you don't understand every single word. Just relax and catch the vibe, okay? AKA, catch the meaning of the context. Act 1. Olivia wakes up at 7 a.m. Yup, 7 a.m. I'm usually still in my 5 more minutes mode. Then she brushes her teeth, makes a cup of coffee, and has toast for breakfast. After that, she takes the bus to work, uses her computer, has lunch with friends, finishes work, goes home, cooks dinner, watches TV, and reads a book before bed. At 10 p.m., she turns off the lights and goes to sleep.
Aw, that was nice. What a nice, calm day. I mean, can you imagine being that productive every single day?
Right? Her life is so organized. Meanwhile, I'm over here like, wait, what day is it again?
Oh, chill, Raja. Okay, let's break down some sentences, shall we? The first one is, Olivia wakes up at 7 a.m.
Yeah, wake up means when you stop sleeping. You open your eyes and say, oh, 5 more minutes, please.
Exactly. The alarm goes off, your eyes open, but your body's like, nope, not today. Sleepyhead.
Classic. By the way, I wake up at 6:30. #morning person.
Oh, wow. Really? I'm more like Olivia, 7 a.m. sharp. Well, sometimes 7:30 if my bed refuses to let me go.
Oh, how lovable. Okay, little grammar tip. We use at for time, like at 7 a.m., at noon, at 8 o'clock, etc.
Right. Easy tip. At is specific time. And the sentence ends with every day, meaning she does it daily. Monday through Sunday, no breaks.
Exactly. That's her daily habit. Now, next line. She gets out of bed and brushes her teeth.
Oh yeah, classic morning move. Wake up and get out of bed are not the same thing, guys.
Right. Wake up means
eyes open. Get out of bed means body actually moves. And brushing your teeth? Come on. Please tell me everyone does that at least twice a day.
Yeah, right? Seriously. If you skip that, English fluency won't help you. People will just run away.
Facts. I brush my teeth after breakfast. What about you?
I do it before breakfast. See, even brushing styles are different.
Exactly. Different routines, same goal. Stay fresh and fluent.
So, friends, that's it for today's episode. I hope Olivia's routine gave you some motivation and maybe guilt too.
Totally. And if you enjoyed today's lesson, you know the drill. Like, comment, share, and of course, subscribe to True Fluency Hub.
That's right. We'll see you in the next fun episode, guys. Till then, stay awesome, stay fluent, and keep smiling.